Alright, so problem number 10, it says the two figures are similar. Find the ratio of their edges. And also I want you to find the directions. I want you to find P and Q. It's not annoying me. P and Q. So first, we did a problem like this earlier, the very first question. I like to identify, my first two numbers are 12 and 24. So let's take 12 divided by 24 equals 5 and 5 over P. So 24 times 5, that's what we're going to do first. 24 times 5, and we get 120. 120 equals 12P. Then divide both numbers by 12, and P is going to give me 10. So that's my first answer, just like that. Now let's go back through it. Do the same thing, but now let's do it for the Q. So 6 over Q. So let's multiply it. 24 times 6, give me 144, equals 12Q, and divided by 12, divided by 12. That means Q is going to give me 12. So my answer is P equals 10, and Q equals 12. And also we have to find the ratio. The only way to find the ratio is simply just taking that and simplify it. The ratio is going to be 1 to 2. Is because they increase. Just double check, make sure I'm doing this right. Yep, 1 to 2. Scale factor of the sides is 1 to 2. What we're going to do now is I'm going to show you. So the scale factor of the sides is pretty simple. Let me show you really quick. Scale sides. So what you have to do to get, there's two ways I can show you how to get the scale factor of the sides, or the volume, which is what the question is asking you. There's two ways to do it, and I'll show you both ways. Oops. So this is 1 to 2. The volumes you can do one of two ways. You can either take, I'll show you one way pretty easily. So first, you got to find the volume of this one. You got to take 6 times 5 times 12. That's easy. That's 360. You got to find the volume of this one. So if you multiply 12 times 10 times 12, or 24 times 12 times 10, you get 2,880. So if you took 2,880 divided by 360, you're actually going to get 1/8. So that is one way to find the volume. Just take the volume of the big one, divided by the volume of the small one. Or you can just simply do this. Take this volume, 2 to the third power, and you get that one. There's two ways to do it. Both of them give you the same answer.